How to see which iPhone apps are accessing your camera. Few iPhone privacy issues go deeper than access to your contact list, which exposes your private web of relationship to a third party. Here's how to see which app can access your contacts and how to grant or revoke access as well. To get started, open Settings on your iPhone. In Settings, tap Privacy. In Privacy, tap Contacts. Next, you will see a list of every installed app that has requested access to your contacts in the past. Beside each one, you will see a switch that is either turned on or off. If the switch is set to on, the app can access your contacts. If it sets off, the app does not currently have access to your contacts. At any time, you can grant or revoke access to your contacts on a per app basis by tapping the switch next to the app in the list. Keep in mind that even if you give an app access to your contacts from the list, the app may not automatically know about this change in the settings. If that's the case, you might be able to get an app to consider your contact list again by forcing the app to restart. In some stubborn cases, uninstalling then reinstalling the app may work. This is how you see which iPhone apps can access your contacts. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.